Look at the result of this video before and after. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce a powerful AI-driven video enhancement tool that's making waves, Edimakor AI Video Enhancer. This advanced desktop software can dramatically improve your footage with crystal-clear visuals, rich natural colors, and stunning 4K quality. Whether your videos are blurry, poorly lit, noisy, or pixelated, Edimakor fixes these issues effortlessly with just one click. Using intelligent AI technology, it sharpens details, restores clarity, reduces noise, and upgrades your videos to professional-looking 4K resolution. If you want an easy and effective way to enhance video quality, repair blurry clips, or upscale videos to 4K, this complete step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. Before we move ahead, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Step 1. First, download and install Edimakor AI Video Enhancer using the link in the description below, and try it for free to start enhancing your videos. Step 2. Once you open Edimakor, head over to the Media section and click on Video Enhance. Here, you'll find a variety of enhancement options available. There are 6 main features in total, and the AI enhancer itself includes multiple specialized modes such as General Mode, Old Home Movies, TV series and films, Video Meetings, Close-Up Faces, Low Light Environment, Security Monitoring, Video Games, E-commerce, and more. If you're unsure which option to choose, I highly recommend selecting General Mode, as it works well for most types of videos. Simply hover over the General option and click Select. Next, upload the video you want to enhance. Once your video is imported, go to the Resolution section where you can upscale your footage to higher quality options such as 2K or even stunning 4K resolution. Finally, click the Generate button to start the enhancement process and wait a few moments while the AI processes your video. Once completed, your enhanced video will be ready to preview and export. The improvement is immediately noticeable. The footage appears sharper, cleaner, brighter, and significantly more detailed. When compared side by side with the original version, the enhanced result looks far more professional and visually impressive. Now, let's test another video to see how the software performs this time. Click the plus button and choose the video you want to enhance. Now, go to the resolution and this time we select 2K resolution, and click Generate. Within a short time, the enhancement is complete. Take a look at the results. The difference is immediately noticeable. The once low-quality, blurry footage has been transformed into a much clearer, sharper, and more vibrant video. Edimakor AI Video Enhancer truly stands out as a powerful and reliable solution for improving video quality with ease. Using advanced AI technology, it can transform low-resolution footage into stunning high-definition and even 4K visuals. The software intelligently enhances sharpness, restores details, enriches colors, reduces blur and noise, improves pixel clarity, and gives your videos a smoother, more professional look overall. You can try this software for free using the link provided in the description below. However, the free version only supports up to 5 seconds of video. So, you can split longer videos into multiple clips for enhancement. Plus, if you decide to purchase it, you can save up to 30% off by entering the discount code listed below. Be sure to check it out and upgrade your video quality effortlessly.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.